Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join someone else's store on the Supermarket Together game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Supermarket Together on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will have various different options, including the New Store, the Load Store, and the Join Store button. You can start your new game by clicking on the New Store button or continue playing from wherever you last left off from Load Store. In order to join someone else's store, click on the Join Store button, and now you will see various different stores that are publicly available to join. Click on the Join button in order to join any one of these. You can also click on Refresh in order to refresh the list. Now, if you have a private store that you would like to join, then you can join this by entering the store code. Just tap on the empty space and then type in your store code, and now you can click on the Join button in order to join this store right away. And now this will load up their store right away. You can continue playing within their store. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to join someone else's store on the Supermarket Together game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.